I guess our main concern about the brucellosis issue is the interaction that our livestock have with elk because of the prevalence of brucellosis in the elk. The critical times for the elk to be exposing the cattle to brucellosis will be that abortion time, which is in February and March, at the same time we're calving. The other critical time then being when the elk are actually calving, which is starting in May and June, which is also the time that we're turning our cattle out on our summer pasture.
Extensive work is underway to identify cow elk that have been exposed to brucellosis, but not necessarily infected with the disease. And if the cow is pregnant, great effort is put into finding out where and when the calf is either aborted or born.
We've used vaginal implants on bison and in elk. This is a vaginal implant transmitter, and it puts out a pulse. So it has a radio signal just like a radio collar would. And it's actually a very good tool to try to determine approximate location of birth sites.
Once I find the collar, I will then listen for the VIT on the frequency that it is on. When the VIT is expelled, either due to the calf being aborted or the full-term live calf being born, this is what I would be looking for, and I would go in and pick that up off the ground.
And if there's any reproductive tissue, we collect it and we try to culture it just to see if they're shedding brucellosis on the landscape.
This work is to help assess where the disease transmission risk is the highest and to help managers determine how to best reduce that risk. This is Mike Gurnett out among Montana's Fish, Wildlife and Parks.